Now let's just face it, ladies and gentlemen. I like to twirl things. And one of them things is nunchucks, staffs. Never got much into twirling my drumsticks though. Strangely enough, these are a pair of drumsticks, and they are snare drummer or rudiment drummer snare. It's not snare, but drumsticks. See here, I drilled a hole down the middle, and I went down to right here, so about 2 inches, and I put a screw, because I drilled the hole and then I screwed it, and then I took a pair of bolt cutters and cut the screws off, did on both sides to hold the string in, and that added a little bit of weight. I think chain, although these fly amazingly accurate, and I can hit a pebble out of the air that's at about a ½ inch in diameter. So they're very, very accurate because they're just an extension of the original drumstick, and I've been playing drums for 41 years, 42 years. Started when I was 9. No, 51 years. No, 41 years. Not very good at math either, but what I do is I will swing these things, and I will, just, I just watch how they fly. I feel the force, and then how to spin, etc. So what I do is I work with different things, and so since I put the screw up on this side, and then this side had the tip of the drumstick, what I did is I put a 9/16 socket on there to give a little bit of weight. They're a little bit too heavy, so I'm going to cut off this amount right here. And I think I will have a perfectly balanced weapon out of drumsticks. This is kind of do-it-yourself weaponry. But I don't use them for weapons. I use them for killing aliens and Bigfoots. Might be illegal to kill Bigfoots now in California. I'll have to go back to West Virginia for a bit and do some Bigfoot hunting. Anyway, I'll be taking my nunchucks. I still got to put a little bit of tape on this side. I've kind of tapered it out from here with the tape. Put a big bulb right there, so when I'm doing the backhand, it won't slide back too much because my hands get really, really sweaty. And then also this is sports tape, and so I'm just trying to make them padded enough so they don't hurt my hands. And then if I were to ever hit myself in the head, which is once a week, they need to be padded enough to help me out too.